On. This is your June 2020 reading. Hope everyone is well. Start off with a song or a quote. You have, my goal in life every day is to be extra. MJ from the Shahs of Sunset. You have rabbit, sexual promiscuity. So being extra perhaps in your sexual affairs. You have the blackbird. It says open to psychic awareness to recognize portents of the future. Beautiful. For rabbit, it says the rabbit symbolizes fertility or sexual promiscuity. Warnings about using caution with sexual encounters. Great card to draw if trying for a child, especially if there is a start card with it. Star sign Pisces can be present and represents the rabbit in the Chinese zodiac. So, psychically, let me be open to telling you to temper down your sexual liaisons. It's the nicest way to say it, I guess. You've got the Nine of Cups with the King of Pentacles, getting your wish, possibly a message from a male earth sign. Could be a female earth sign, a message from. You've got the Seven of Swords, that's the first week. Second week, Seven of Swords with the Ten of Wands. So possibly trickery, deception, something hidden that's burdensome. Over, hold on, I just want to check this. Overcommitting. And it could speak about sickness, maybe somebody not being 100% with their sexual history. You have the Two of Pentacles with the Nine of Wands. So overworking, juggling something. Disorganized, scattered. So whatever you're doing, it's it can speak of a new love or false friends. So maybe you're juggling new love and false friends. You have the Knight of Swords with the Six of Wands for the last week of June. An intense love of life and strong fellow feeling. So that looks like friendship. Victorious with friendship. Let's get some clarifiers. For the Nine of Cups, King of Pentacles, you have sadness. Seven of Swords with the Ten of Wands, there's hope. The juggling with the new love of false friends. Unexpected joy. And for the Knight of Swords, Six of Wands, there's some anger. Tell me what this anger is about. For Capricorn in the last week. Somebody coming in with a blunt, harsh communication, victoriously delivering it, and they're angry about something. Got the Ghost. King of Cups. The past coming back to haunt you. Sometimes even actual ghosts or possession may be involved. Two Kings speaks of minor counsel. So, there'll be some talks about younger children, children under 18. I don't know if that has to do with the sexual promiscuity, but again, be open to psychic awareness to recognize portents of the future. Let's get you a tree card. Capricorn, June 2020, please. Capricorn, June 2020. I've got the eucalyptus. It says balance. Try to strike the balance between overt enthusiasm and lack of interest. That's where this Two of Pentacles comes in. Throwing yourself headfirst into a new project seems exciting at the time, but could leave you with little room for maneuver later on. Balance. Good luck, Capricorn.